this is the Franklin Pro Series Pickleball paddle bag. It's kind of like a duffel slash backpack style bag. Nice and big. Normally $120 or so, but this color I got for $60 on a sale. And I just thought I'd go over some of the things I wish were easier to understand about it feature-wise that were not exactly clear when I looked it up online and just from what limited pictures they had. So pocket-wise, this thing is completely symmetrical from one side to the other with one exception that I'll show you. So we'll start with the outermost pocket. Now, I have this paddle in here just to demonstrate that a paddle will fit as long as it's not a wide body. This is an elongated paddle, but I really wouldn't recommend it for that. Really, balls or something would be more appropriate for this pouch. The one on this side doesn't really have padding in it. It's just this nylon. But the other side is actually felt lined or fleece lined, which is really nice. So if you want to put your phone or your glasses in there, it'll keep them from getting scratched up. So that's cool. Then the next pocket gets bigger, and that's really for your paddles. It's quite a bit bigger. You can probably fit 2 or maybe 3 paddles in here. So all in all, if you stuff the outside ones and these, you could comfortably fit 6 paddles just in the paddle compartments, okay? Now for the main section, the thing I'll say right off the bat is that there's one zipper down the middle, and I think the Joola Tour Elite bag, which is similar in a lot of ways, it has a double zipper with a strip down the middle that will open up. So it'll give you, that one will probably give you easier access to the center. But in any case, the pockets on the interior are symmetrical as well. So first off, you've got these 2 elastic pockets, and then above that you've got 2 zippered pockets. Same on both sides. So this is good for your grips, and you know, this is my glasses case. You can put balls in there, sunscreen, whatever. This thing fills up pretty quick. Now this hunk right here is actually the bag for the shoe compartment. Now this is a pair of size 11 shoes that fit in there. There's a vent on it, so you can put your shoes in a separate compartment, and that's pretty slick. So this center section is nice because it's big enough to fit a jacket or a hoodie, your hat, your drink, and whatnot. So it fills up pretty quick, especially if you're playing outdoors. But as far as some of the features that are not as obvious, if you stand it up and make this the bottom, there's a pocket here, and it is also fleece lined. Now, I've been trying to figure out what exactly it's for, because when you set the bag down like this, the bag is on top of that pocket. So it almost makes me think it's meant for your wallet or your keys when you're wearing it like a backpack. So this is against the small of your back, and it's not easy to pickpocket. That's probably what that's for. Okay, but if you do want to use it in a backpack arrangement, let me show you some of the cool stuff about that. Now you got a handle up top here, and for the backpack arrangement, what you can do is you can unpack the straps, and then down here you can unpack the clips on either side, and just clip them together like that. And there you go. You can wear it like a backpack, which is pretty cool. There's another hidden compartment up here with a zipper, and I think all that's really for, it's because it's a really shallow pocket, but you could put stuff in it, is there is your fence hook. And it's already got a twist in it, so it'll hang straight when you hang it on the fence. So that's pretty cool. Now, I probably won't use it in a backpack style just because these kind of flop around quite a bit, but something I noticed when I was looking up the Joola bag is that the interior pockets, in addition to having kind of the wider centerpiece, the interior pockets like these are mesh, and I think the paddle pockets kind of have a it's like the silvery thermal protectant looking thing where they say it keeps your paddles cool or something. So I don't know. I had a tennis bag like that. I don't know if it did anything or it didn't, but I think the Joola bag is also in the $110, $120 range, but for half price, that made an easy choice for me. The black I like because it's got a sharp contrast with the blue and the white, but if it's sitting in the baking sun, it's probably going to heat up your drinks and whatnot. So I sort of prefer the lighter, brighter colors, but I'm not going to pay double for that. So anyway, hope this was helpful for you a little bit. I'm happy with it, especially for the price. So plenty of pockets, easy to carry. Hope that was helpful.